Prevent tennis elbow pain with these 2 easy stretches. The first one, the affected arm. So say it's my right arm. I'm gonna wrap that over the top of my left, interlock my fingers. From here, I'm going to twist using my left hand, the right hand up. You should feel a stretch there. If you don't, push your belly forward into the arm, and then you'll feel the stretch. Do this for about 30 seconds, 3 times, and then move on to the next step. The next movement is called the sleeper stretch. So put a pillow or a foam roller underneath your head, sink your shoulder underneath your body, and then you're gonna make the arm that you're dealing with, the trouble, my right arm, that'll be your lever. You're gonna go back and forth and create space in the shoulder joint. A lot of elbow tension comes from the shoulder joint itself. Once you've done those 2, test it out. It should feel a lot better.